Welcome to Trillion X Travel. Today we are exploring Burano, an enchanting island nestled in the Venetian lagoon, just a short boat ride from Venice, Italy. Renowned for its vibrant colors and intricate lace-making tradition, Burano offers a captivating blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. As we disembark from the boat and set foot on the island's picturesque pier, we're immediately struck by the kaleidoscope of colors that adorn the facades of Burano's charming houses. Each building is painted in a different hue, a tradition believed to have originated centuries ago to help fishermen find their way home in the foggy lagoon. But Burano's allure extends beyond its colorful architecture. The island is also celebrated for its rich tradition of lace-making, which dates back to the 16th century. Wander through the narrow streets and you'll encounter local artisans practicing this intricate craft, their delicate creations displayed in windows and doorways. While exploring Burano, be sure to visit its iconic landmarks, such as the Leaning Bell Tower of the Church of San Martino. This centuries-old church not only boasts a distinctive tilt, but also houses a remarkable collection of artwork, including paintings by renowned Venetian artists. As you stroll along Burano's canals and alleyways, take in the sights and sounds of everyday life on the island. From fishermen mending their nets to locals chatting in the town square, every corner of Burano offers a glimpse into its vibrant and welcoming community. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the island's history, culture, and hidden gems. Join us on this journey of discovery as we uncover the secrets of Burano, a gem of the Venetian lagoon. Continuing our exploration of Burano, let's delve deeper into the fascinating history and unique features that make this island a must-visit destination. Did you know that Burano's colorful houses aren't just for show? In the past, fishermen painted their homes in bright colors to distinguish them from one another, making it easier for them to find their way back home in the dense fog that often blankets the lagoon. Beyond its vibrant facades, Burano is renowned for its centuries-old tradition of lace-making. Dating back to the 16th century, the island's lace artisans are known for their meticulous craftsmanship, producing intricate designs that have earned Burano a reputation as the island of lace. One of the most iconic landmarks on Burano is the Leaning Bell Tower of the Church of San Martino. Built in the 16th century, this picturesque church leans slightly to one side, adding to the island's charm and allure. Inside, visitors can admire a stunning collection of religious art and artifacts, including works by prominent Venetian painters.
Regarde, regarde, c'est les deux.
Burano is also a paradise for food lovers, with its local cuisine reflecting the island's maritime heritage. Sample traditional dishes like risotto de go, a creamy rice dish made with goby fish, or sard-in-sar marinated sardines served with onions and vinegar. As you wander through Burano streets, keep an eye out for the island's hidden gems, from quaint cafes serving freshly baked pastries to artisanal shops selling handmade souvenirs. Here's an interesting statistic: Burano's population is only around 2,800 people, making it a tight-knit community where everyone knows each other. Despite its small size, Burano welcomes thousands of visitors each year who come to admire its beauty and explore its rich culture. And don't forget to capture the magic of Burano with your camera. The island's vibrant colors and charming atmosphere make for unforgettable memories.
Ciao, ciao.
As we wrap up our adventure in Burano, we hope you've enjoyed discovering its rich history, vibrant culture, and unique charm. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more content. Share your memories with friends and family, letting Burano's beauty inspire others. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Arrivederci from Burano.